If you're farming Dawn Validator Airdrop, you have a massive problem right now that could zero out your entire point accumulation. The team has just dropped a critical non-negotiable update, which is their version 2.03, the new browser node. This means that if you miss the announcement, your old extension is now inactive and silently earning you 0 points. In this video, I'm going to give you 2 critical steps you must take right now to mitigate this issue with the Dawn Validator Airdrop Chrome extension. If you're new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content about crypto tech and finance. Subscribe, turn on post notification and join the Telegram channel linked in the description. This is a massive update. It requires action. Dawn is transitioning into its core infrastructure and a new optimized browser node is now available. The first step that you need to do is to update, but this is actually a mistake. You need to manually delete the old extension from your Chrome browser like right now and just delete it completely. So head over to the Chrome web store, search for Dawn Validator and install the new one. That is, delete the old one and install the new one. In addition to that, if you are also a new user, you can be able to use your old email address and your old login to be able to put it so that it can be able to restore your points as well as your previous accounts, so that you don't need to be able to start another one afresh. Step number 2, if you are a new user, you can be able to log in, all right, by using the link or the referral code that is showing in the screen. With that, you can be able to earn an extra bit of points for yourself once you sign up with this referral code that is showing on your screen. So those are like the 2 most important steps. Now, you may have noticed that your points are displaying incorrectly on the new extension or the new dashboard. Don't panic. The development team is actually working to be able to fix this and it will actually restore it back. So why is this update important? This is like a small blue chip that is building, that is for DePIN airdrop on the Solana network, and it is very, very huge in as much as it has been long. The second thing is that the airdrop has no snapshot announced already, but for the meantime, that means that we can still be able to farm more points as much as possible before the final allocation time actually shows up. In addition to that, you need to be able to make sure that all these final checklists is actually done, which are first, that you have deleted the old extension. 2 is that you are running it on a browser node, that's the version 2.03, which is their new version. 3 is if you're a new member, that you actually signed up using this business code, that this referral code that is showing on the screen. If you answered all these things, that means you are secured for October push that is going to be happening live for the Dawn Validator Airdrop. If not, you can be able to just watch this video again to be able to get all the points and move forward with that. If you find this helpful, please smash the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and let me know in the comments if the extension is running smoothly. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.